was Joe Signorelli's RX7. It may look familiar. That's because it's Abel Ibarra's old chassis that Joe has just purchased. The engine, however, has been replaced with an Australian-built 20B triple rotor.
Triple rotor?
Yep.
Twin turbo?
Yes, twin turbo triple rotor.
You've had the car for how long?
About a month now.
You've been doing this a while, so doing 180 mile an hour pass wasn't a scary thing for you?
No, it's okay. Actually, nice and smooth in that car. Yeah, real good.
Have you got any estimations of what sort of power you're making?
Probably around 11 or 1200.
Big number.
Joe runs an incredible 7.43. He gets a shock when the parachute doesn't open. Joe's fast, but the fastest Rotary in Australia title is owned by the boys at Pack Racing.
I think you've got the fastest car here today.
Yep.
What the hell have you done to that thing to make it so fast?
Put a rotary in it.
Put a rotor in it?
On the 7th pass, the car ran a 7.1 at 186 mile an hour. Well, we race it from anywhere from about 850 up to 1200 horsepower.
Wow.